So this is their 3-drawer nightstand. This is great because this can be an extra storage option. So you can see we have the bed here, and then right here we have the nightstand. So you can go ahead, it has these little drawers. You can open these drawers up. They are fairly deep. This is my hand inside of it here. And these are very sturdy. You get that kind of black top here. We have some stuff on it, sorry about that. But you do get 3 drawers. And these are like little, this is how you pull them out like that. They're not knobs, but they're like little things that you screw in on the back. I'm sure you could put in knobs, but it's got this interesting flute kind of design, but it's all wood, guys. It is nice, and the little area at the bottom is kind of flared out as far as the legs. But this is what the width is. It does have a decent width. This is my hand right here. I think the width is, it probably tells you in the description, but let me see. It looks like the width is about 15.5 inches. But definitely a nice nightstand if you need some extra storage. It is wider than some nightstands, but I mean, it's kind of like a small bedside dresser almost. But we got 2 of these. We are satisfied with them, and I would recommend them, guys.